Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use OBS to record screen and audio. First of all you have to do is open your Google search engine and type download OBS. Hit enter, click on the top search result, download OBS. From here you have three different operating systems. You have to select the appropriate system. For example, if I'm using Windows, I will click on Windows and then I will click on download installer. And then OBS will start to download on my computer. Once it's completed, I will install the software. Now I have installed the OBS on my computer. I will hit the Windows key on my keyboard and type OBS to launch OBS software. Now this is the layout of the software. You can start streaming on YouTube or you can just start recording your screen. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to record your screen and audio. So all you have to do is on the sources tab, you have to click this plus icon and select display capture. From here, you can give any name to your display and click on OK. Then all you have to do is select display. If you are using multiple monitors, then you have to select your specific monitor that you want to record. For example, I want to record this monitor and I will click on OK. So this is the layout. If I minimize the window, as you can see, it is showing each and everything whatever I'm doing on my screen. And then we have to also record our audio. Then all you have to do is click on this settings icon, then click on properties. Then from here you have to select your microphone that you want to use while recording. For example, if I want to use this microphone, I will select that microphone and click on OK. If it's muted, I will click this button and now it is unmuted, and all I have to do is just click on start recording. Now my screen is recording everything that I'm talking. If I stop the recording, I will go to file, click on show recording. From here you will be able to watch your recording as a video file, as an MP4 file. Now my screen is recording everything that I'm talking. If I stop the recording, and that's how to use OBS to record screen and audio. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.